Princess Jen. Please comment, like, subscribe. Starfruit or carambola is a sweet and sour fruit that has the shape of a 5-point star. The skin is edible and the fruit has a mild sour flavor that makes it popular in a number of dishes. The starfruit is yellow or green in color. It comes in two main types, a smaller sour flavor and a larger sweeter one. Starfruit, carambola, or some people call it five-finger fruit. Carambola juice. I'm going to make a carambola juice with this carambola. I want to just show you how I cut first the little edges here. Then you cut here and you cut there. And of course you use this for the fruit, so that you could get the seeds out, and then you use this to make the juice. It's a very starchy fruit, so when you cut out the edges, it makes it has less starch. Or if you boil it too, that also takes out some of the starch. This is the seeds in there. I'm not gonna put them in there. So let me just finish preparing it, and then I'll show you how I make the juice. I'm up to the last one. This one don't have seeds. Now I'm going to add some water to the blender. One and a half bottle of water, and we are just going to cover it up. Turn it on. Turn it off. I'm going to strain it. So now that I have finished straining it, I'm going to cut this lemon. I'm going to use half of the lemon, squeeze it in here. I'm just going to add sugar to it. That's brown sugar. And then vanilla extract, 1 teaspoonful. Then you mix it well. Your juice is ready. Let's pour it in this glass. Carambola juice. This is the carambola juice. It's ready to serve. Guys, it don't have to be too sweet because guess what? You don't need a sweet drink. I'm gonna taste it for you. It tastes delicious. Carambola drink. All natural, straight from the tree. Pour the leftovers in this. And then you could store it for later. Right? Carambola drink. Delicious carambola drink. If you like this video, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. I appreciate you. Thank you very much for watching. See you all soon on my next video. Bye, guys. Later.